The parish model, all the agricultural operators in the parish will join a parish circle. The Parish Development Council, where your people are, the chairperson of the Women Council is a member, the others are members. That one is a supervisory council. But the controllers are the circle, the people themselves, abali mu kintu. The farmers, the cattle keepers, the fishermen in the parish. Now, when the money comes, it will come from finance straight to the circle. It will not go to the cow. It will not go to the county chief. It will come to the account of the circle of the parish. You need to understand this very clearly. This is a new approach. And it will be you, members of the circle, to decide how you start and from where you buy. But we want you to concentrate on the items which we have shortlisted for you, which is coffee, fruits, dairy, food crop, poultry, piggery, fish farming. Where they have big land, they can grow maize, grow. But for the smaller people, these 7 are the priorities, the ones you should spend the money on. Otherwise, the money will come directly to you. You are the one to buy the seedlings yourselves. You are the ones to decide who gets first. It will no longer be government people, it will be you. You, the people, the stakeholders.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.